Hello there. Welcome back to Mind Travels. Today, we're going to take a virtual tour of Burnaby, British Columbia in Canada. This vibrant city is located in the heart of the Lower Mainland and is known for its diverse culture, stunning natural beauty, and thriving economy. The Lower Mainland is a geographic and cultural region of the mainland coast of British Columbia that generally comprises the regional districts of Metro Vancouver and the Fraser Valley. It is home to approximately 3 million people. Located in the center of the Burrard Peninsula, it neighbours the City of Vancouver to the west, the District of North Vancouver across the confluence of the Burrard Inlet, with its Indian Arm to the north. Burnaby has an oceanic climate with mild, dry summers and cool, rainy winters. Burnaby was incorporated in 1892 and achieved its city status in 1992. A member municipality of Metro Vancouver, it is British Columbia's third largest city by population, after Vancouver and Surrey. The city of Burnaby is named after Burnaby Lake, in turn named after Robert Burnaby, who was a Freemason, explorer, and legislator. As Vancouver expanded and became a metropolis, Burnaby was one of the first-tier suburbs of Vancouver, along with North Vancouver and Richmond. Currently, Burnaby has a fast-growing population that approaches 300,000. The city features major commercial town centers, high-density residential areas, 2 rapid transit lines, technology research, business parks, and film studios. Canada's largest film and television production studio and more than 60% of British Columbia's sound stages are in Burnaby, contributing to the growth of Hollywood North. The city is also home to a variety of cultural attractions, including the Burnaby Art Gallery, the Burnaby Village Museum, and the Burnaby Central Railway. Its proximity to Vancouver, a large world-class cosmopolitan city, affords easy opportunities for even more cultural, entertainment, and sporting events and activities. Notable people from Burnaby include singer Michael Bublé, actor Michael J. Fox, hockey player Joe Sakic, and actress Carrie-Anne Moss. Burnaby's metropolis at Metrotown is the largest mall in British Columbia, the 3rd most visited in Canada and the 5th largest in the nation. Did you know that Burnaby is home to the largest public library in the entire province of British Columbia? It's called the Burnaby Public Library, and it's a must-visit for book lovers and history buffs. Burnaby is also home to the world-renowned Simon Fraser University, which is consistently ranked as one of the best universities in Canada. If you're a nature lover, you'll be thrilled to know that Burnaby is surrounded by lush green parks, including the stunning Burnaby Mountain Park and the Deer Lake Park. 25% of Burnaby's land is designated as parks and open spaces, one of the highest in North America. So, there you have it, a look at beautiful Burnaby, British Columbia. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on our next Mind Travel.